Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to crochet this easy pattern. It's a great option if you want subtle texture that isn't as pronounced or defined as a bobble or popcorn stitch. We use a treble crochet stitch to create the nubby texture on the right side of the fabric. The pattern is a quick 2-row repeat that uses 3 stitches: single crochet, double crochet, and treble crochet. So if you're new to crochet, this is an easy pattern to follow. I used a medium 4-weight yarn and a 4.5mm hook, but you can use any yarn weight and hook that you like. You can find more crochet patterns in my Etsy and Ravelry shops, which are linked in the description. Please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Now let's get busy and have fun crocheting. Start with a chain and any multiple of 2. Your chain should equal the width that you want the project. When you reach the width that you want, chain 1. Double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. The 3 skip chains will act as a double crochet. Double crochet in every chain across to complete the foundation row. Turn the work. Turning chains are optional for this pattern. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I replace turning chains with a standing stitch whenever possible to get straight edges without any gaps. Single crochet in the 1st stitch. Because I'm not using a turning chain, I pull up on the loop a little to bring up the height of the stitch. Treble crochet in the next stitch. Yarn over twice, insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Repeat that 2 more times to complete the treble. Single crochet in the next stitch. Treble crochet. Single crochet. Continue with the treble followed by a single across the row. The last single crochet will be in the top of the chain 3, which form the first double in the foundation row. Turn the work. If you use a turning chain, it will count as the first stitch. I like to use a stacked single crochet as my standing stitch for doubles and half doubles. Start with a single crochet in the first stitch. Insert the hook into the left leg of the single. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops to complete the standing stitch. Double crochet in every stitch across the row. Turn the work. Single crochet in the first stitch. Treble in the next. Single crochet. Treble. Continue the repeat across the row. Row 4 is a double crochet row. Put 1 double in every stitch across the row. Repeat rows 3 and 4 until you reach the height that you want. Starting and ending with the double crochet row gives the pattern a uniform look, so there's no need to add a border unless you want to. And if you replace the turning chains with standing stitches, your edges will be perfectly straight. I hope you enjoyed this super easy crochet pattern. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you in the next video.